In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your project from Base44 for the year 2025, step by step. If you've been working on a project in Base44 and are ready to take it to the next phase, you're in the right place. Exporting your project can seem a bit daunting if you haven't done it before, but don't worry, we'll walk through the process together. First things first, let's start by logging into your Base44 account. Head over to base44.com and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard, a hub where all your projects live. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you need to. It's always a good idea to know where everything is before getting started. Now that you're in, find the project you'd like to export. Your projects should be neatly listed on your dashboard, so go ahead and click on the one you want to work with. This will open your project, bringing up all the details and tools you need for exporting. Once you have your project open, you're ready to start the export process. Look to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll notice an export or code icon. Click on it, and you'll be presented with two options for exporting your project. You can choose to export as a zip file, which will download the entire project to your computer, or, if you're using GitHub, you can opt to export the project directly there, making it part of your GitHub repository. After you make your selection, Base44 will begin preparing your files. You'll see a notification indicating that your export is in progress. Patience is key here, as the time it takes to compile everything can vary based on your project's size and complexity. Once Base44 has finished preparing your files, you'll be ready to move on. If you've chosen to export as a zip, the download should start automatically, saving the file to your designated downloads folder. If you've exported to GitHub, you'll need to check your account where you'll find the new repository all set up for you. With your project files downloaded or in your GitHub, the next step is to open and use them. Open the zip file on your computer or access the new repo on GitHub. From here, you're free to edit the files, host the project, or publish it anywhere you'd like. This newfound flexibility is the beauty of exporting. And there you have it. Your project is now successfully exported and ready for the world. Thank you for sticking around to learn this useful skill.